Meaning of fire hose.
Fire hose.
Fire hose.
Fire hose.
Fire hose. A fire hose is a high-pressure hose used to deliver water or other firefighting substances to extinguish fires. It is typically connected to a fire hydrant, pump, or other water supply source and is used by firefighters to quickly and effectively put out flames. With its large diameter and high-pressure capabilities, a fire hose can discharge large volumes of water at a rapid rate, making it a powerful tool in the fight against fires. Overall, a fire hose is a critical piece of equipment for firefighters as they work to protect people and property from the devastating effects of fires.